Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is Cajun spiced potatoes. I have about a pound of red potatoes that I'm trying to quarter. I'm trying to make sure all the pieces are about the same size. So I'm just going to cut all those up and add it to a bowl. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Season it with some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. I'm using Slap Your Mama. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Once I have all that added to the bowl, I'm going to give that a really good mix. And this is an air fryer recipe. I make so much in the air fryer. I feel like I don't even use the oven that much anymore. So I'm just going to pop this in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out, shake them around real good, and then put it back in the air fryer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice over the top, and that is all there is to it. These are really good, quick and easy side dish. And if you want to see more recipes, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.